Hello and welcome. So, when we're looking at this one, we have given the matrix below, find the determinant. If it does not exist, enter D and E. So, when we're looking at this one, I would recommend I just pick my very first row, always easiest, and then I don't have to worry about special cases or anything else like that, right? So, we're going to work on what we call expansion of minors to find the determinant for this particular video. So, how it works is you essentially pick your row that you want to work with. Pick the first row, going to be generally same method for all of these, okay? And you grab your first number, 6. And then from there, that'll leave a resulting 2 by 2 matrix, because anything that shares a column or row with 6, essentially you ignore. And then the resulting numbers that don't is a 2 by 2 matrix, so -2, -3, -9, and -2. And then you do the exact same thing again with your next number. Now you got to be careful is that this second number you're actually subtracting. So we're subtracting our -10 and whatever that matrix is. Okay, so expansion by minors, you're going to be subtracting your next one. Everything that shows a row and a column with it gets blotted out, and then it leaves those numbers and those numbers together with -3, -3, -9, and -2 is the resulting 2 by 2 matrix. Now the last one, we treat it really like the same. You don't have to worry about doing any subtraction. That one's just matching whatever the sign 8 is. The row and column that shares with it, create your resulting 2 by 2 matrix, -3, -3, -2, -3. And this is what we call expansion by minors. Okay? So that is everything. Now all you do is now you start taking determinants of these 2 by 2 matrices. So for this first matrix, so you do the product of your main diagonal, 4, minus the product of your second diagonal. So that would be -27. And that's being multiplied to the 6 out front. This next one is going to be adding 10, right? Negative and negative is a positive. And then that is going to be 6 minus the product of the next will be 27. Oops, product is positive 27, subtract the product. Okay, and then you go through the same process, so plus 8, and this last one is first diagonal, which will be 9, minus the second product, which is 6. And there it is. Now we just keep simplifying it down. 4 minus 27 is -23. Okay, and then we have 6 minus 27, -21, right? And then 8 times 9 minus 6, 3. And then start just doing these products. So we do 6 times -23, which is going to be -138. And then we have minus 210 plus 24. So then we start combining these together. So then we have -138 minus 210 plus 24. And that final answer it's going to come back is -324. And that is the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix by using expansion by minors. Okay, the biggest thing to remember is I find students most often forget subtracting that second term, right? And if it's already negative, you are subtracting a negative number and it will flip the sign. Okay, so be very, very careful. That's one of the most common forgotten things with expansion by minors. But that is all for this video and your final answer. Thanks for watching.